Morning D4Bers, how are you? I thought I'd do something a little bit different again this time. I've just received a box here, which is my D23 annual gift. Let's have a look and see what's in the gift. I'm going to turn the camera around so that you can see everything as I open. So if you don't know what D23 is, D23 is Disney's official fan club. You pay an amount every year, you get 4 magazines a year, you get a box of goodies as your membership gift every year, and you get access to special events. Now these are all generally held in the States, so if you time it right, you can do it as part of your visit, if you're from the UK. If you don't, then you get to see these things streamed and everything else. The gifts have changed every year. So this year, there's a whole lot of different things to last year. Last year was a set of awesome pins. This year, yes, there's some pins, but there's some other things in here as well. So they'll be really good to take a look at. The one other thing that we have to consider about the Brits is we pay a bit more, a lot more actually, because of postage. So for us, the charge is about £120 a year. It's about £90 plus £30 postage, thereabouts. So enough of me talking. Okay, so here we go. Here's the box that arrived. I've obviously taken a little look. I wanted to make sure that everything was okay before I did this video. So let's take a look inside. I mean, the first thing that really strikes me is what's great is you've got this amazing box, and as everything else this year, and we're in 2021, this is celebrating the 50th anniversary of Walt Disney World. So 50 most magical years of the Walt Disney World celebrated by D23. Really cool box, really sturdy, but we're actually not that interested in the box. We're more interested in what's inside. But there you go, there's the box. Nothing around the side. It feels like a magic trick, doesn't it? And there we go. Is it upside down? No. There we go. Right, so let's have a look inside. First thing you see when you look inside is a really nice certificate. So it's saying David Tewksbury is a gold member, signed by Mickey and signed by Bob Chapek. Really cool box inside, again, blue and red. Then a welcome to the club magazine. Now this is really good, and I'll show you this in a minute with the camera above so you can look at all the pages. So what else have we got in here? Ooh, goodies. Over on this side is the D23 Gold Member card. Nice little holder for this. You'll see all the cutouts that hold everything are actually Mickey's, so they've done a good job there. And that's just got my membership number and the Gold Member since 2013 and the date. I'm going to pop that back in there to keep it safe. Then over here, again, held in a couple of Mickey ears, is... Now for those of you who are a little bit younger, you won't know what this is. This is actually music. For those of us that are a little bit older, this is a 45 vinyl disc, and it celebrates the 50th years of Walt Disney World. Old style logo on there, which I love, and they've obviously brought that back. And then you've got two sides on here. Side A is Bear Band Serenade from Country Bear Jamboree from 1971. And then Nothing Can Stop Us Now from Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway in March 2020. So one from the very beginning and one more recently. And there we go, I'll give you a little picture of that, and I'll put a still of this in here as well if I can do that. The famous orange bird in there as well. But there's more. So far we've had a certificate, we've had a vinyl record, and we've had a card. Let's go over to this side. Now those of you that have seen my videos know that I'm a real fan of these. I've got a number of them. But this is a pennant or a banner and a really cool D23 official Disney fan club. This will be going on the wall in my studio, and you'll see this hanging up on the wall when I do my next full video. So really cool, cool Mickey, old-fashioned Mickey, old-style Mickey, and really fab colours. I'm going to roll that up, put it back neatly. We don't want any creases in this. And then we've got, excuse me, I've got the sniffles a little bit. Oh, shiny, as they say. So let's take a look at this. This is the final big thing, and this is well secured in some foam. We've got a lunchbox, really cool D23 lunchbox. On the top, all about Walt Disney World, and you've got Epcot, and you've got Tower of Terror, the castle, Mickey, Donald, the train, Chip and Dale with a Pluto hat. Then on the back side, I might actually get you to answer and tell me who these people are. So there's a character there, character 1, character 2, character 3, character 4, and character 5. So in the comments, little competition, I'll find a little goodie for people. Tell me who these 5 characters are or what ride they're from. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up on the top here, what have we got? We've got a little bit of possibly see that Journey into Imagination. Round on this side, we've got Ratatouille, the light parade that goes around Bay Lake, and Extinction, Epcot, not Epcot, Contemporary, love the Contemporary, what used to be 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. Then we've got Expedition Everest, Country Bear Jamboree, maybe, possibly. You tell me if I'm right or wrong there. That's Typhoon Lagoon. So a whole load of goodies here. Nice little lunchbox, made of tin should you want to use it. So nice strong clasp, and then when you open up inside, ta-da! Pins. Really, really cool pins. Now, my partner's all about the pins. I like them, but not as much as he does, but these are really cool. So we've got a Country Bear Jamboree. We've got a, what's that one? I think it might be a tiki one. You might have to tell me about that one. Obviously Orange Bird and one of the original Walt Disney World signs for them, and you'll see in the D there. Star Tours, possibly. Let's have a look and see if it tells me on the back. I'm hoping it'll tell me on the back what these are. No, it doesn't. Oh no. Right. More help from you guys then. So know that one is. Know who that one is. Know who that one is. I think that's Star Tours. I think it's Star Tours, but tell me whether you think otherwise. And I think that might be Expedition Everest, but otherwise let me know. So there you go. For your 60 or 70 pounds plus the postage. Can't do this up now. There we go. For your 60 or 70 pounds plus the postage, you get 4 pins. Pins are normally about $15 each, aren't they, at Disney? So you're getting your 4 pins, you're getting your lunchbox, you're getting the pennant, you're getting the record, you're getting the certificate. So this isn't a sale for DVC. It's not even about DVC, David. This isn't a sale for D23. I just thought I'd share with you what you get when you actually join DVC. And I've got a collection of those, and they're really good keepsakes. They stay in their boxes and you put them away. The final thing I was going to show you, and let's see if we can do this with the camera, is this magazine. Now, you might have to bear with me while I try and work out how best to do this. There we go. Okay, so welcome to the club. It's talking about a whole year of Disney. So it's talking about a new year of D23. This is from Michael Vargo, the head of D23. And then inside there's articles about going back to 1971, how the park opened, the challenges they had. Then we're going through to 50 reasons we love Walt Disney World. I haven't looked through these, but I will have a look. But I think there's going to be some really cool ones in there. And I'd be really interested to know what your favourite one is. At resorts, Epcot, around the world, Disney's Animal Kingdom and Disney's Hollywood Studios. Interestingly, number 50 here, he's put as Avatar Flight of Passage. That might be one of my highest ones. So there we go. Really quick and simple. There's no editing on this one. I'm just going to upload this live, which is why you can see the hair's a bit of a mess, etc., etc. But that's the D23 gift. If you're interested in it, go to d23.com and you'll find everything about joining D23. It's a bit of an expense, but you get some goodies, and you also get emails telling you what's going on at Disney. And if you can't get over there, like I can't at the moment, we've been cancelled 4 times this year, it's nice to be kept in touch. 2 other things for you. Number 1 is obviously don't forget about other things on the channel. Go to disneyforbrits.com, and where you'll see the travel booking piece, talk to you about that in a second. You'll see how you can actually watch more of my videos, and how you can buy my book. And I'm going to do another video soon about the impact of Disney Genie and how my book is still something you really, really need. Final thing, if you want an expert to help you plan your Disney holiday, you don't just want to do it on a website. You want somebody who knows the ins and outs of Disney and Disney World and Florida, can tell you the best place to stay, the best days to go to what parks, where, when and how. You need a Disney specialist. Just so happens I'm a Disney specialist. I've been to Disney since '84 and go 2 or 3 times a year, COVID allowing. I'd love to be your concierge, your travel concierge of choice, and help you plan the most magical holiday for your family. I'm able to book now for 2022 and for 2023, and there's some really great deals out there, and I've been able to get people amazing holidays. Not just Disney, I can do Universal. I'm a Universal fan as well. And actually anywhere in the world, I can book any kind of travel for you. So check me out on Facebook and Instagram at D4B Travel. Find me on www.disney4brits, that's Disney, the number 4, Brits.com, and just drop me a note and I'll happily help you with anything you need. I delight making my customers happy. It's why I do all of this, and I'd love to help you. So there we go, D23, a whole lot of other things going on. I'd love to be your travel concierge. Get in touch. And as our pal Mickey says, I'll see you real soon.